Starting November 8, China is rolling out strict export controls on high-performance lithium batteries and the materials that power them. And this isn't just about batteries. This could shake up entire global industries. So, what's going on? China's new rules target some of the most advanced battery tech on the market. We're talking lithium-ion batteries, with energy densities over 300 watt-hours per kilogram, plus high-end battery packs and the tech used to make them. But that's not all. The restrictions also hit cathode materials like lithium iron phosphate, nickel-cobalt compounds, and lithium-rich manganese, the very building blocks of EV batteries. And on the anode side, China's locking down artificial graphite, something it basically dominates worldwide. Oh, and the machinery to make all this? Also controlled. Now, any company that wants to export these items will need special government permits. And if they're not sure whether a product qualifies, tough luck, it'll be reviewed, and shipments will be held until authorities make the call. So, why is China doing this? Officially, it's about national security and strategic interests. But let's be real, this is also a power move. China knows it's sitting on a goldmine of battery materials, and it's making sure the rest of the world knows it too. With EV demand exploding and the global clean energy race heating up, this could mean delays, higher prices, or even supply shortages for carmakers and energy firms worldwide. So, what's next? Will countries like the US, EU, or India try to reduce their reliance on Chinese tech? Will this speed up the race for battery independence? Let us know what you think in the comments. Stay curious and stay charged like your battery remains.